interviews. So wala pa sila kanina nung dumating ako.
And I don't know how you can understand na hindi maraming tao. Look at you, I mean, do you love her? Right? I know, I feel the same way. So first of all, Kat, congratulations.
Thank you.
Because this is such a big deal. I mean, this is a great makeup collaboration with, again, a company, a makeup brand that really caters to Filipinas.
Yes,
and that caters to the youth as well. Because let's face it, makeup, any age, right? I mean, any skin tone, every skin tone, as they say. And Kat, you know what? Kilala ka kasi perfect talaga yung skin mo. Guys, I am like inches away from her. Her skin is perfect. My gosh, kakainis. Okay, so with that being said, I mean, you obviously take good care of your skin. How important was it for you to work with a company like Happy Skin who really caters to making sure our skin is also taken care of with their products?
That's very important for me because personally, I myself, I have a very sensitive skin. And before pa ako maging part ng Happy Skin, I'm a fan of the brand because aside from being made in the Philippines, alam mo, homegrown brand natin siya, it's a brand that takes care of your skin while putting on makeup. So, ito collaboration talaga nito. Talagang I was very hands-on with this, and what's good about them is that open sila talaga na makipag-collaborate ako. So lahat to, it's something talaga na I really use, and happy ako kasi yung Happy Skin since last year, since we launched the first generation Happy Skin, para na silang naging new family ko. Kasi all the girls behind Team Happy Skin are very hardworking, I promise you. Lahat sila sobrang genuine. Sila Miss Risa, Miss Jack, lahat sila. So yung buong process na ito naging madali sa akin. At yung working relationship ko, it's more than just, okay, kasi endorser nila ako. They're like my family now. I have new sisters now, Miss Risa and Miss Jack, na alam ko maprotektahan ako, and that's very important for me.
I love how you were super hands-on with this kasi syempre a lot of the time people think that okay, the artista will collaborate, meaning mag-post lang siya for the pictures and stuff like that. Pero you were really part of everything.
Medyo pakialamera ako sa Generation Happy Skin, and lahat na talaga tinry ko personally whenever I travel, whenever I go to the beach, sa mainit, sa malamig, na-try ko pag nag-workout, sa taping. So, confident ako with the products, and I hope the girls will love it.
Oh, I sure do. Do you guys love it? Yeah, I know you do. I personally love it. Kanina ka, Risa was saying na you're a very active person. You really love to work out, you like to be, you like to stay fit.
And I'm very hyper.
Yeah. And so are you. I mean, you love to move, you love to travel. So, was that really the inspiration? She loves you too, ha? Sandali lang. Moment namin to. Love you. Diba they were saying that you're very active, so it's something that you really enjoy doing. Was that the inspiration behind this line? Like, you were saying na parang, alam mo, Risa, Jack, I work out pero I need makeup na parang cute ko kahit magsusuot. Was that the inspiration?
Kasi we started developing this since last year, di ba po? Actually, nung na-launch namin yung first generation Happy Skin, parang na-mention na nila sa akin about dito sa Active Line. Kasi first, parang wala pang makeup brand na naglalabas, specifically na Active Line, something na you can use while working out, something na hindi mag-clog yung pores mo, something that's good for your skin. So when they told me about it, I said yes right away. Kasi yes, I love working out, I'm very active, and minake sure namin na yung products, masustain namin yung pagka-simple niya. Something na pwede gamitin ng kahit na sino dito kasi hindi siya complicated. So, yun, feeling ko dun nag-start hanggang sa packaging, we chose the colors, and then kung ano yung magiging part ng mga collection. So, tinanong talaga nila, what do you use when you work out? So, I told them, I use this, and ganyan-ganyan. And then, in-incorporate namin ang lahat yun. And then, we have this, our newest baby.
I love it. And I know each of these products are your babies.
Yes.
You work on each of these. But sa entire collection, ano yung mga favorites mo or yung people you will recommend talaga to everyone na these should be in your gym bag, in your handbag,
all the time? Okay, that would be this one, the blush on stick. using it now. I'm using Flushed ngayon. Meron siyang two colors. Yung isa ginagamit ko sa taping kasi ngayon kakabalik ko lang sa beach, medyo tan ako, so ginamit ko yung Flush. Very glowing, very natural lang din siya. So either way, I can promise you na for all skin colors, skin types, okay siya kasi na-try ko siya. And that's my personal favorite kasi whenever I go to the gym, I put lotion on. And then whenever I go out with my friends, whenever I work, yan yung must-have na mawala na lahat, wag lang ang lotion.
Oh, wow, mawala daw lahat. Basta wag yung blush. I like that. That's very true because each girl really has a specific product na they really go to it.
Yes, ikaw, what's your favorite?
So, lipstick.
Lipstick naman.
I love lipstick kasi you can have no makeup but kung may lipstick ka.
Totoo.
This is your line, girl. This is fierce.
Thank you.
Diba? And how long does it take you to put on your makeup? Because I heard you say earlier na when you develop all of these things with Happy Skin, you wanted it to be something that talagang they can just slap on, you don't have to worry, out the door they go. How long does it take you though to do your makeup?
When ate din, pag si ate din, ginagawa makeup ko, of course may kasama na yan, chika, may mga life updates kami, kaya namin mag-makeup forever. Pero personally, pag walang ate din, walang ate Justin na mag-makeup sa akin, medyo ayoko mag-alot ng sobrang daming time din sa makeup. And usually, I do my makeup when I'm in the car. So around 5 to 10 minutes, 10 max na yun. So, eto, kaya mo siya lagay in less than 5 minutes. Kasi lahat, diba? As you can see, kung napansin nyo, parang stick lahat. So, parang for on-the-go girls talaga na malalagay mo sa bag mo, mag-retouch ka. So, yun talaga yung goal na para sa mga active girls in all aspects. Hindi lang sa kailangan nag-workout, pero sa mga working girls as well, na busy. So, this is the perfect makeup for them.
Especially now that it's summer at sobrang init. So we need something that looks natural but at the same time is long wearing.
And something that has SPF.
Exactly.
Yes.
Even for the lips.
Even for the lips.
Even the lips need SPF. And 5 to 10 minutes, parang ang amazing naman ng skin na yun ha. You can do your makeup in 5 to 10 minutes. Can you share with us here any makeup hacks or any makeup tips and using your products? Like, you know how some people will like
Yeah.
or like they'll put it like in separate.
Yeah.
What is your hack for Generation Happy Skin?
For me, siguro, pag kinuha nyo yung complete set, I recommend you put on the blush on first para mag-settle siya. And then, you don't need to use any brush. Ako, mas gusto ko ginagamit yung hand ko personally para mas nabiblend ko siya. And then, after that, you go na with the eyeshadow stick, which is this one. It comes with two colors. Yung isa is mas lighter, so pag kung sa umaga, gusto nyo very light. And then the other one is for mga mas nighttime look. And sometimes I use this also for my eyeliner. So nasa-smudge ko lang siya para mas buhay yung eyes ko. So after blush, yun na. And then proceed ka na to your lipstick. That's it. So for me, the lipstick, sometimes tint lang. But today, minix ko ang Limitless and Free para medyo ma-moisturize yung lips ko kasi medyo nag-dry yung lips ko. So you don't be afraid to combine them. Like sometimes the colors ng blush on, kino-combine ko siya and then mas lumalabas yung kakaibang color. So i-mix-mix nyo lang.
You can mix and match it and create your own shade.
Yes, create your own shade.
That's what makes it so great because
Yes.
it's easy to blend, right?
Yes.
It's 2019, it's a brand new year. You have a lot of amazing projects coming your way. This collection is again another amazing feat for you. But what are you excited to try this year? What are you excited to do? Like push yourself and do something different. What's your plan for 2019?
You know, my plan talaga for 2019, I told myself, okay, this year, it's gonna be all about growth. Personal growth. And when I say growth, kasama na dyan yung taking care of myself, ano mo yun, yung pag-overcome ko ng insecurities ko, accepting or risking projects na gagawin ko individually. So, yun yung mindset ko na for me kasi hindi ka pwedeng ma-stop lang sa, okay, you have to play it safe parati ganyan. For me, it's okay to grow and I encourage all the girls na huwag kayong matakot na lumabas sa box na yun. And hindi ibig sabihin na uncomfortable, hindi yun okay. Sometimes yun talaga yung start eh. Yun din magsa-start yung growth mo as a person. So yeah, that's my goal for 2019.
Round of applause, guys! Talk about words of wisdom from Catherine Bernardo herself. You know what, Kat? Since this is a whole, like, active line, I think we've been sitting down